Hello, dears, and welcome back to the sunny and warm Benidorm town in Costa Blanca in Spain. This is Benidorm by Anna YouTube channel with all of you, and today we are in Benidorm's city center, right by the old town. We start the video right next to Milord's Suites and the famous Dove Park. This is still the weekend when Benidorm is celebrating a bank holiday. In general, there's going to be two holidays, which is tomorrow, 9th of October, and the next one is on the 12th of October. So on these days, all official businesses will be closed, as such as the vast majority of supermarkets, banks, pharmacies, many of the shops that are not so touristic will also be closed on these days. And many people even took a couple of days off and have the entire week of mini holidays in autumn. As you can see, this is what the Benidorm's old town slash city center. Is this a place with a dog? Wow. This is the first time I'm seeing one like this. Usually we've never ever seen a police officer with a dog just walking randomly down Benidorm town. This has never happened before. That is so strange. Here we have some ice cream shops, by the way. 1 scoop, 1.30, 2 scoops, €2, 3, 4, and 5. And as it goes on, 1 scoop, 1.30. This is not a bad price for an ice cream. The cheapest one that we've seen was in La Cala Finestrat. There it was just €1. Here it's 1.30. Not bad either. Some shops with sweets. Wow, this is if you love different types of marshmallowy things, chocolates, sweets. These type of places have a lot of them. And also some really nicely designed ones. Right in front, we have something more healthy. Sabor a España, the taste of Spain. This is where they do their own caramelized nuts, walnuts, grapes, apples, etc. 3 for 2 for caramelized grapes. For example, right now they have 3 for €2. And different nuts, walnuts, almonds, etc. you can find out there. One of the top selection restaurants here in the old town, which is Cordoba. Here is where they sell seafood. So if you want very good quality seafood, this is where you can go. They have parrillada, which is like grilled seafood, €36. This is for several people though. Rice in the oven, 14.50. Paella with seafood, 14.50. 19. Rice with lobster, ooh, fancy. 20 something euros for a steak or solomillo. This is where actually you can get not only rice with lobster, but a grilled lobster with some butter and herbs on it. Ooh, that's incredible. I know some of you asked where you could get a nice lobster in Benidorm. This is the place, the restaurant Cordoba. The Museum of Benidorm was right here towards our left side. You could have seen it. This is where every now and then they have some nice expositions and quite some fun ones as well. Benidorm Souvenirs, our top 3 favorite souvenir place in Benidorm to buy some cheap and great quality gifts for your loved ones back home. Brand new shop, Universe of Silver. We lately have a lot of jewelry shops that are only silver ones, by the way. Ooh, the waffles, Mannequin Piss, a very nice waffle place, not bad one. Look at this, ice cream, €3 with 1 scoop. This is, wow, this is too much. That's why there's not a lot of people there. It's really too much. €3 for 1 single scoop. I don't know about that one. Let us know. I do think it's expensive. What do you think? €3 for just a single scoop ice cream cone? I think it's too much, isn't it? That one was just €1.30, and it's also a great ice cream selection. Nearby, we have some shops. This one has 50% off. It's going to be closing as soon as it will sell everything. So it's quite a nice place to go. Nearby, there is one of the best ham serrano and typical Spanish type of jamon and cheese place to try it out. They have these lovely cones for $4.95. And here's where you can try either jamon serrano or cheese selection. If you go inside, they even have a wine cellar on the down floor in the cellar, which is great because you can get some nice quality wine out here as a gift or for yourself to bring back home. There are plenty of cheap shops with unique price, 10 euros. Here then they say it's everything for 6 euros, everything 5, 10 and 20. And then right next to these shops we have La Mejillonera, one of our favorite places to go and eat typical Spanish food. They even have a queue right now, midday, which is bizarre, but it's a lovely place. You can get half of portion, the entire portion. You have tapas, montaditos. You have whole entire meals. They specialize in mussels in a lot of different sauces, so bear that in mind if you are a seafood fan. A lot of candy shops have prepared already the Halloween decoration, which is really, really nice. Probably we'll see some more of it here while we go down towards the Levante Beach. A lot of shops like these that are slightly cheap cross on this street with more expensive ones. The jewelry shops, watches shops, Di Marco, for example, this one is not bad at all. And then we have high branded shops that are situated right here on the same street. For example, the Fashion City that we have right in front and the Glamour, that is this one on the left. They do have Michael Kors, they have Guess, they have a lot of different brands that are highly priced ones, but they're still here in Benidorm for all those of you who want to buy something. Karl Lagerfeld is also here, Versace, and a lot of others. Nearby, lovely cafeterias. This is the Crossroad La Creu. This is Churros Place, a typical Spanish breakfast one. They serve ice creams, desserts, lemonades, very nice coffee too. So bear that in mind if you will be here in the city center. It's right in front of the Alehop shop. And this is a straight road towards the Levante Beach. This area might be considered as the shopping alley of Benidorm. This is where the vast majority of typical shops are located, especially oriented for tourists. It's where you also can visit several jewelry places just in case you want to get something special for someone or for yourself. Why not? As a memory of your holidays. Many of these places, they only sell silver, but then there are others who do sell also white, pink, yellow gold, diamonds, and etc. See some more Halloween decorations out here. This is a candy shop, the Treasure of Pirates. Obviously, all the candy shops, they put Halloween decorations because it's what people buy for Halloween, which is why it's kind of logical and obvious. This year, we will probably do our seasonal and yearly walking video down Benidorm to see how many people actually have some kind of nice outfits and Halloween costumes. We don't know just yet if we're gonna put something on or not. Maybe just some makeup, maybe some costumes, not sure just yet. But definitely we'll be going out for a walk on the 31st of October to show you guys what's going on in Benidorm town. This is another jewelry shop, Arezzo. They always say they are on discount. They always say they have special deals. Not sure why this is the case though, but it's not some special holiday. They're not closing down. But many of these places do put discounts on the front entrance to probably attract some more people. Piercing, tattoo places are also open and available, and our most famous jewelry shop is this one on the right. That's called Amor, which means love. And it's great jewelry shop. It's slightly more expensive because obviously it has different stones, it has diamonds, it has a lot of different natural stones there too. Colored ones like blue ones, purple ones. They have rose gold, they have white gold, a lot of different options there, which is why people love it. And mostly locals, if they need something special, they go to this jewelry shop, probably one of the best ones here in Benidorm. The baked potato place, still no one. Remember, we showed you this is a recently opened business here in Benidorm, but no one is going there right now. Maybe the prices are too high. The walk place, we've showed it too. Walk street closed. No one is going there. I don't know, really, really strange. And then we have our favorite cafeterias, the Nabab cafeteria, recently refurbished. They have a big terrace. The terrace is still quite big though, I must say. Not getting smaller whatsoever. And the loveliest Levante Beach. Just look at this. Gorgeous, sunny weather. Still really hot. It's still 30 degrees and we are heading towards the second half of October. Look at the beach on weekend. If this isn't still summer, I don't know what is, because it's extremely busy. The only difference that I see is that starting from right now, there is no aqua park any longer, no floating aqua park here anymore up until next year, but water pedals are still here. And all the rest still looks the same except for the inflatable for the floating water park, the paid one. But apart from that, so many people are on the Levante Beach. It's absolutely insane. We are really grateful for the weather we have right now because it allows more people to enjoy during their holidays here in Benidorm town. Thank you for accompanying us on today's short walking tour, and we'll see you tomorrow with the latest news update.